It's a new 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz. With all the sporting adventures in your future, it's time to make the Santa Cruz part of your present. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: auto shift manual transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, steering assist cruise control, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.